She grew up with so much love and kindness that is that is why she is loved by many people. At her very young age,
Dahan-dahan lang, Budoy. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan.
For the sake of fun and friendship. Without further ado, let us put our hands together as we welcome the main highlight of this celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, our lovely celebrant, Mia Isabela Molinasco, and her escort, Prince Eric Bambanco. Ayan, ang ating birthday celebrant.
Hawak!
Ayan. So, compress na kayo. Tawag ka kay Mia. Ayan, magpa-picture na muna bago kayo bumaba dyan.